Hi all, you're in the right place if you want to know how to make keto-friendly jelly. So it will definitely be sugar-free. There will be fructose in it, and that's because I believe in eating fruits and vegetables, because fruits have a lot of vitamins for you and you need them. So I want to be healthy, so I will definitely continue to consume vitamins through fruits, but we'll definitely not put any added sugar in. Oh, I forgot to take out the veggie. It's called veg gel. I thought it was agar-agar. Not sure if it's the same, but I don't want to use gelatin because I'm a vegetarian. I'm not super strict with that, but where I can avoid it, I will. And then we have coconut milk with no added sugars, as you can see there. So no extra sugar in it, but we'll still be able to enjoy this delicious summer dessert of jelly. So this is the first time I'm ever making this, so I'll see how well it works, because apparently you have to work fast when heating it up. You have to heat it up, then you have to work fast because it becomes jelly where it sets very quickly. So I was gonna put it in this bowl and kind of have like a tier of what's it called? Oh my god, melon, coconut, and mango flavors there. And I'll be using this thing. Where is it? Here we have it, to mash them up. This is the blended mixed, what it's called, watermelon, and I'll be putting it into this pot. Then I will mix some of the veggie gel in and heat it up. Now I regret that we have to heat it up, because all the nutrients in the fruits should stay alive, and when you cook them, then you kind of sometimes cook them to death. But hopefully there'll still be some vitamins, etc. left in this. Hopefully you don't have to heat it up too hard. I don't really know, but this is how the veggie gel works. So I don't really know any other way to make jelly. If you know, then let me know in the comments below. And let me know if you'll be making this delicious dessert for the summer. And I didn't manage to get the little kernels out of there, but I'm only making it for myself, so I don't really mind. It will be fine. They said cook it to boiling point, so I guess I was wrong about any nutrients being left. But hopefully there'll still be some left anyway. And I think it's about ready to be poured into the bowl there. I hadn't realized that it needs to set for an hour. So, wait, do you have to pop it in the fridge meanwhile? Blah, blah, blah. Allowed to set for 1 hour or until firm. I guess I'll just leave it standing here. And it looks like I'll have enough space for the coconut and the mango tiers both, which will be great, but it's already 7 o'clock and I have to wait for an hour until I can continue. I hadn't realized that. But anyway, that's what I'll do, or I'll continue tomorrow with the mango maybe. Because this will be faster, because I won't need to pit it, cut it open, stone it, whatever, mash it. I'll just pour this in the pot and mix the veggie gel in, and then I'll just heat it up and put it in here. So, but obviously I don't want the liquids to mix, so that's why I'll wait till this is firm. Hopefully it works out well, because it did say that it needs to be a minimum of 200 ml, but a maximum of 570 for one sachet. I'm not sure if I didn't measure it at all, so I'm not sure if that's not enough, if there's enough veggie gel in there, but we'll see. It'll still be yummy, I hope. Wish me luck, guys. I tried it, and probably because we had to boil it, it tastes gross. So maybe this is not the best idea, but I'm sure the mango will be better and the coconut as well. I'll put this in another bowl, then I can continue with the coconut milk and the mangoes. And I don't have to wait for the full hour if it doesn't taste yummy anyway. Then I can have it separately and I can like decide if I don't want. I'm reluctant to throw it away because it's food. I don't want to waste it, but it isn't very yummy. I'll decide later what I'll do with it. So yeah, I tried it for you so you don't have to. You're welcome. Okay, apparently this 700 ml. I didn't realize there are measurements on this cup. So I think I'll need maybe 1.5 veggie gel packets. I hope the mangoes will still taste nice after being cooked, because I'm not 100% sure, but I think it will be better than the watermelon actually. It's just my best guess. I think it's boiling. I think it's ready to be poured in. Alright, I'll leave it here for an hour. I'm not sure if I'll leave it in the fridge. I'll need to make some space in the fridge. Or I'll just leave it here for an hour. Or until it's jelly consistency. I'm looking forward to this. Yay! Okay, this is pretty set. It needs to still cool down more, but I think I can put the next layer on. So I measured 700 ml of coconut milk so that I know how much veggie gel to put in, which lives here. Wait, isn't there? Oh no, I used that. Okay. And I'll put that in. Mix it through and heat it up. Just like before. It's boiling, so I took it off the heat. And I will pour it on here. Oh shit, it got mixed up. Fuck. But hopefully not too much. Anyway, even if it got mixed up, it will still be delicious. This is my first try, so it's okay. This happens. But I won't mix it any further. I'll leave it like this. Maybe it's not too mixed, and maybe each will kind of stay in their own area as much as possible. And yeah, now I'll put it in the fridge. I made space up there. It's at the back. And there's my guacamole, my delicious guacamole. Alright. See you tomorrow when I'll be able to try this and taste it and see if it tastes delicious, which I'm sure it will. Okay, I took it out of the fridge. It's finally ready. I had a naughty little sneak peek here. But yeah, let me try it. So this is the coconut. It's delicious, but because I think because we cooked it, we had to cook it, it tastes a bit more like roasted coconut than actual like fresh coconut. And there's some with mango. It still feels a bit oh my god, the mango is really yummy. I think they do complement each other. And it does taste sweet, so you don't need any sugar. But it's still a bit warm there, so maybe I should leave it in the fridge for a bit longer, but I'm too greedy, I guess. No, I don't know what you call it. I look for it too much. Delicious. Alright, that's it. I would recommend you make this, especially if you're trying to eat healthier and trying to find some desserts that taste good without adding sugar to them, or any added sugar to them as you would find in the shop as well. If you're trying to eat a bit healthier, I think this is a great one. And it's a lovely summer dessert with a jelly. I guess I could turn it around and have it jiggle, but oh yeah, my money don't jiggle, it folds. I like to see you wiggle for sure. I think I'll just eat it out of the bowl. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Let me know if you're trying this dessert out. And let me know if you're trying to eat healthy like me at the moment. I hope it will last. And yeah, subscribe to my channel for more videos like these, or also decluttering and low-buy content. And like this video, please. It really helps out my channel. If you liked it, let me know by giving it a massive thumbs up. And share this video with people who you think need some dessert inspiration. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, take care.